Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and set up a new method in visionCATS. To begin, open the drop-down menu and select New Method. Alternatively, you can right-click in the Explorer window to create a new method. Enter a method name, choose the path direction, and, if needed, create a new folder to store it. The method file, identified by a red M icon, will open automatically in a new Explorer tab. Next, define the required HPTLC steps in the method by clicking on the corresponding instruments. Any steps can be easily removed or added, and the order of instruments can be rearranged at any time during the analysis using drag and drop. Once all steps have been defined, click Finish Step Definition to move to the Chromatography tab. Here, you can edit the track assignments for application and analysis, and adjust the overall plate settings. Click on each instrument icon to edit its specific parameters. You can either use the default settings or apply customized configurations as needed. The default settings correspond to those defined in the General Chapter of the United States Pharmacopoeia 203 and the European Pharmacopoeia 2.8.25. Before executing the method, check your current setup using the Track Layout preview to ensure everything is correct. When your method setup is complete, click the Execute Method button to create and open the analysis file. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.